Hi folks, this is Stan Forrester. I'm your instructor. Just wanted to let you know the grades are in and ask you to wander over to the gradebook to read the feedback. You know, the stuff I write in there is so that I can try to help you get as good a grade as you can possibly get. Remember, that grade is only pass or not pass. And that cutoff is 70%. But, and now that the grades are in, and I know who's doing well and who's not, if you scored under a 75%, in other words, you're like in danger of not earning that pass grade, or you missed an assignment, got a 0, or you were absent a number of times. I went ahead and I sent you an email message and put some stuff in the journal. If you want to correspond with me privately, you can do so through email or go to the journal. Respond to my post in the journal. That's actually kind of the best because that gives me a history. I don't have to look through my email and try to figure out what you sent me like last Thursday or something like that. And are you the person whose parent is in the hospital right now, or are you the person who just lost their job and is now homeless? You know, it's sometimes tough to keep everybody straight, but or the person who just didn't get their book on time. So I'll be able to keep all that straight. There were a couple things that stood out in the grading this week. Okay, so the discussion responses. I'm not really sure why. I mean, out of 40 points, 16 of those points in the discussion are for the responses, the substantive responses. You know, over 5 weeks, that comes out to 80 points, or 8% of your total grade. And you know, that may not sound like a lot, but if you got a 63 and you've missed those 8 points, those 8 points were the difference between your pass and your no pass. So don't pass up the easy points. Just, you know, hammer out a quick response, you know, something a little bit more than just wow, good job. Wow, good job doesn't earn any points, but you just say something about like, oh, you did really well with the common denominator. I like how you did this, or I like how you wrote that out, and be specific. Make it substantive. Okay. Remember, good job posts or oh wow posts don't really count as substantive. The initial posts have a due date. If you're coming up on that due date and you still don't have your 4 problems worked, definitely send me a request for help. Okay, you can do that via email. Ask the instructor a question. If you send it to me email, I'm going to go ahead and I'll take your name off, but I'm going to post that question in the Ask My Instructor a Question discussion board so everybody can benefit. I'll probably respond to you as well. It's easier for me to make a video, so I will probably make a video, so you have a little video tutorial as well. In the prompt, it's in the discussion itself. Pay attention to when I respond to you. If I say, great job, excellent, yay, you're done. But if I say, oh, hey, this is a great start, you know, but there's a little more work to be done, I'm trying to figure out how to get you to the point where you earn those full points. 16 points, 4 points per problem. You know, I want you to do as well as you can, and if we can get you to the right answer by the end of the module, you've got it. You know, you know how many points you earn if you get it right the first time? 16 points for those out of 40. You know how many points you get if you get it right by the end of the module? 16 points. That's right. Oh yes, My Math Lab. The other big component of our course is My Math Lab. I only received one Ask My Instructor a Question message this week, okay? And I really, by week 2, I'm expecting to see quite a bit more, like 4 or 5 actually. And I'm not seeing those, but that has me concerned because I'm looking at the grades that are coming out of My Math Lab, and I'm seeing that there's a lot of people who really should be asking questions and who aren't. So I'm going to encourage you to take advantage of me, take advantage of the tutoring, take advantage of all the tools you have available, and we're going to get you through this course and on to your degree program. Okay, we've got a great week coming up. I really do appreciate the effort that people are putting into the discussions. In case I didn't say that, or that didn't come through, I did want to say that. But we've got a good week coming up, and good luck to everybody. And good reading, and I hope everybody understands the material as best they can, okay? But do keep those questions coming. Okay, have a great week.